cheesy. Say cheese. Uh-oh. Kyle. Back, 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 back. Dance. Hi. Back, back. Good job, Kyle. No? Yeah. Hi, Kaylee. Yay. Kyle, what does the piggy say? Oink, oink. Uh-oh. Somebody's coughing. Look. There's Kaylee, huh? Hi, Kaylee. Kaylee Marie, you're on video. Kaylee Marie Bush. Say something.
I love you so much.
Oh, that's so nice. Kyle, say something. Kyle, say love you, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Oh. Look, there's Kaylee again. Oh, there's Papa. Hey.
Go.
Kyle.
Go tickle Tita. Go, Beanie.
Come here, Kyle.
I'll have to wait a little bit.
Hi, you. Oh.
Probably shouldn't be that much traffic on the road.
You cold?
It's probably just really thick here, Alex. It'll probably clear out a little bit.
Kyle.
I mean, it's
Hi,
clean
baby
on
boy.
the road a little bit, but I just don't want to take any chances of getting on the highway and hitting really hard patchy fog somewhere. So I lived all the way down to Bakersfield, and they're having patchy fog too. But then as soon as I hit the Tehachapi, it's cloudy, and then when I get down out of the Tehachapi,